Chevy Cruze. The old one that came off the car. This pipe is sometimes smaller. Let's see this part. Got the up pipe on, and next we got to get a cat back because that system is looking kind of crusty over there, man.
Where's the gasket?
The gasket is over here, see. That's a Chevy Cruze. Yep. Alright guys, so for some reason I don't have a gasket, and it's really weird. So he's gonna flatten down the other one, the old one that came off the car. I could have been mistaken. I never took it out of the box until today. That's the ZZP pipe. This right here, let me show you the difference for the pipe. This is when it floods here and the water is very high. This part sits mostly under the water. And if you're thinking about taking off an O2 sensor on this pipe, you better burn it. You might have to burn it. If your pipe looks like this, you have to burn that shit. And this one's for you. I put it.
For the sensor.
Yeah. For some reason, I don't know where the gasket is. It should have been here. I could have sworn I saw it, but I didn't take it out the box.
Put a same gasket.
I thought I seen the gasket in there, but I could have been mistaken. I never took it out of the box until today. That's the ZZP pipe. Go ahead. could have sworn I saw it, but I didn't take it out the box. Alright, here's my order. It says Midpipe. Let's use the old gaskets. It has a heat shield on it. I would want to use that again. I wonder if we can use that heat shield. Alright, so this pipe looks kind of rusty on here. So yeah. What's up, brother?
This is from the kitchen for the
Huh?
This is from.
Say it again?
Do you guys have this type of clamp? Do you sell me one?
Oh, no, I don't work here.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah, he probably. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Got the up pipe on, and next we got to get a cat back because that system is looking kind of crusty over there, man. I don't know what kind of vampire done went up underneath my car and took a bite out of the pipe, but yeah, that's another reason to buy a new cat back. So yeah, the vampire got me. We're gonna have to put a nice cat back on here. This guy was so generous and so nice, man. He put this on, and I'm gonna give him a shout out. Often mufflers. All right, guys. So this is what my cat back looks like. A magnetron muffler with two fucking holes in it. Like, what the hell is this, bro? 2 1/4 pipe right here in the back, welded to a 2 1/2 pipe, I think. What he's doing is he's opening up the holes so that the bolts can go through. I'm definitely gonna need a catback system. Look at this pipe, bro. What the hell happened here? And my coilovers here. I'm gonna have to bring it back down a little bit lower. There's the spring. That's the adjuster ring. Sitting on one adjuster ring. What I want to do is I'm going to take this adjuster ring out and I'm going to lower it down and put the new tires. so I just left the muffler shop here. I found this guy really fast. I was kind of like in a rush because the muffler shops all closed like around 5 or 6. And actually, the guy that I went to before, who did the first straight pipe, that guy didn't even remember who I was. I jumped out of the car like, yo, what's up, man? This guy didn't even know who the fuck I was, man. I've been in this shop like 3 times. And he was acting brand new, like, damn, what the fuck? So anyway, I Googled this guy, and man, I went in, he said, what you need, Papa? He didn't know that much English, but he took care of me. So I got a ZZP up pipe. I'm not sure why there wasn't a gasket in here. There was no gasket in here in the box. So yeah, man, I just used the old gasket, and that was it. I'm most definitely gonna have to get what I was gonna say. Well, whatever I was gonna say, I don't remember. But I'm definitely gonna be getting a tune or retune. I've already contacted Jerry for that, so I should be getting a crackle tune or something like that. So yeah, no check engine light. We're gonna see if this defouler works. So I'll do a little data log here. Take you guys right out of here. We're in the Hialeah hood, so everybody knows you can live here in Miami for like 85 years and still can get lost in Hialeah. So thank you guys for watching. I'll do an update video on how it sounds and do a couple of revs for you guys with the ZZP up pipe.